Hey, it's Canada, and I have a song for y'all today. Um, I just wrote it like less than 5 minutes ago. um, so it's called "Do You Love the Rain?" Of course, by me. See y'all right out. Anyway, goes out to my girlfriend. So, alright, but I'm gonna put the camera down because I get kind of nervous watching myself. Just like single there and stuff. Okay, but anyways, I'm just gonna set the camera down and please do listen. I think it's capable of being a good song. I could hear it on the radio. But anyway, okay, well, here it goes. Because I've wasted like a whole minute on just sitting here talking to y'all about it. But anyways, okay, here we go. Baby, you opened my eyes, made me believe in my smile. You showed me your world, my one and only girl. Love me some more, baby, just one more time. Make me close my own eyes, 'cause you showed me how to love the rain. Staring into your eyes takes away all my pain. One more time, give me a kiss goodnight. After all, I did love the rain tonight. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh. Made me love the rain. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh. Made me love the rain. Even when I wake up, the rain still pours. I love every drop, every last drop on the floor. So wake me up, never let me down, or I won't get up. Loving the rain, loving the hurt and the pain, loving you today, loving the rain. 'Cause you showed me how to love the rain. Staring into your eyes takes away all my pain. And one more time, give me a kiss goodnight. After all, I did love the rain tonight. You showed me how to love the rain. Staring into your eyes takes away all my pain. And one more time, give me a kiss goodnight. After all, I did love the rain tonight. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh. Made me love the rain. Made me love the hurt and the pain. And that was Do You Love the Rain by me. Okay, it probably sucked, but I'm going to post it on here anyways, no matter what anybody thinks, because it's for my boo. It's not for anybody else but her. So screw what everybody else thinks about it. As long as I like it, that's all that matters.